Hello, how are you today? I am going to show you today how to create a shortcut in Photoshop and why this is important. So the example that I have is I am going to create a smart object. So this is something that I do all the time, so often that I have made a shortcut for it. So if I wanted to turn this into a smart object, normally I'd have to go right click and come down and press convert to smart object, and you can see here that I already have a shortcut, but I will show you how we can add that, and I will also just quickly show you why it's important. If I bring this over here, and it's not a smart object at the moment, it's over the edge of our pattern, and then I rotate it, it splits. So what I'm going to do is delete that layer, and if I turn this one here into a smart object, I'm going to click Command L, which is my shortcut, and now I'm going to duplicate it, and if I rotate it, it stays the same. So this is a shortcut that I use all the time for my patterns. You can use shortcuts for anything that you are doing as a repetitive task. It is quite handy to have a shortcut for. So we will go up to Edit, come down to Keyboard Shortcuts, and this one here is in Layer. So you'll come in and it will look like this, and I'll open Layer. I'm going to come all the way down, and here it is, Smart Objects, Convert to Smart Object. So to change any of these, you would just click here and type in the shortcut that you want, and then click Add Shortcut. If the shortcut's already used somewhere else, you might need to think of something else, or if it's on a shortcut for something that you never use, you can take it off that and put it on your shortcut. So I have Command L because that is one that wasn't being used elsewhere, and yeah, that is how you do it. So that saves me a lot of time when I am creating patterns to just click Command L instead of coming over, right clicking, and then coming down to convert to smart object on every single item. I hope that was helpful for you.